Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to use multiple virtual desktops on Windows 11. Click desktop icon, right-click virtual desktop, click rename. Right-click, click choose background. Click background, select any background. Click plus to create new virtual desktop. Right-click, click rename to change virtual machine name. Right-click, click choose background. Select any background image. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.